Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable YouTube notifications. First, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. Tap the search bar and type notification control. Select the correct app from the results and open its page. Tap install or get and wait until the installation finishes. Open notification control from your home screen. If a permissions request appears, allow the needed access so the app can manage notifications. Go to your phone settings and open the notifications section if the app asks you to enable notification access. Find notification control in the list and turn on allow notification access. Return to the notification. On the main screen, tap the option to manage or filter app notifications. Scroll through the app list until you find YouTube. Tap YouTube to open its notification rules and settings. Enable the filter or control switch for YouTube notifications. Choose block all notifications if you want complete silence from YouTube. If you prefer partial control, select custom filtering instead of blocking everything. Turn off promotional notifications to stop marketing and recommended content alerts. Turn off subscription notifications if you do not want alerts from channels you follow. Turn off live stream notifications if you do not want live alerts. Turn off comment and reply notifications if you want fewer interaction alerts. Turn off creator posts or community notifications if that option is available. Set the mode to silent if you want notifications hidden without sound or vibration. Set a schedule if you only want YouTube blocked during work or sleep hours. Use keyword or category filters if notification control supports filtering specific YouTube notification types. Test the change by opening YouTube and triggering a notification, like subscribing to a channel with alerts enabled. If a YouTube alert still appears, return to notification control and confirm YouTube is selected and blocking is active. As a backup, open YouTube settings, go to notifications, and toggle off any remaining notification types. Finally, you can also open your phone settings, find YouTube in apps, open notifications, and switch them off at system level. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.